I'm Dana Denha, and this is Art Fair Close-Up 2018. I'm here with Duane Scherer. I got confused there for a second, the double D situation. Too many D's going on in this room. Why don't you tell me a little bit about your artwork, because this is very functional.
It's functional and it's very eclectic. This is how I roll. I like doing a variety of things because it keeps my creativity, the options open.
Yeah.
And I've been creating since art and music since I was a kid.
So why clocks? What got you interested in making clocks?
I've done, like I said, I did music and I did fine art. I had gallery shows and all of my creativity, it found its home here. I'm able to, it's reasonably priced. I mean, when I was doing gallery shows and $1,200, $3,500, da 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 da. I mean, who can afford that? And so through this, I'm able to sell it to more people. And I can't tell you how many people come into my booth at shows or whatever and say, I bought a clock from you 12 years ago and it gives me so much joy, and on and on and on. Thousands of, so yeah. Yeah,
that's amazing, because I imagine like nobody, once you buy one of these clocks, no one's ever going to see a clock like that in anyone's house.
Yeah, they're pretty unique.
Yeah.
And I have stories, like a couple years ago, I'm in Pittsburgh, couple comes in, they lived in Maine, her daughter and son-in-law were on vacation in Hawaii. They bought one of my clocks to give them for a gift. They're in Pittsburgh visiting them, and they bought a couple more clocks of mine as gifts, because I sell in galleries too.
Yeah.
Alaska, Florida, Texas, Maine, all over.
I could totally see one of your clocks in Pee-wee's Playhouse.
Pee-wee's, yeah.
Do you remember that show?
Oh yeah. The word of the day.
Yeah, Cherry could be right above Cherry's chair.
Cherry.
Well, do you actually make the clock, the functioning part of the clock?
No, I buy those from a wholesaler in Ohio.
Okay.
Yeah, my movements are made in America, and yeah, most of my vendors are made in America.
They're so beautifully quirky. How do you kind of get that inspiration for it?
Creativity has always been easy for me. Like if I want hot water, I go to the hot water. I know how to turn it on. If I want cold water, I mean, I don't have to, get drunk or be in a mood or anything like that. It's just something that, it happens.
It comes naturally to you.
Yep, I'm never stuck. I never have a writer's block.
Okay, so and then do they usually have they're multifaceted, there's depth to them?
Yeah, I play with things. It's like I'm in my mind. I'm always playing with things. I mean, like I said, I have a fine art background, and so the imagination is boundless. There's no limit to what you can do. And so as far as this goes, this only represents really a small fraction of really kind of that I've sketched out or thought about or whatever. Yeah.
Awesome. Do you have a website or anything?
Yes, it's my name, DuaneScherer.com.
Okay.
But it's not a retail site, because it's mainly for my wholesalers. Because of a retail site, I always advise people to go to this company I heard about recently. It's called Amazon. I heard they do website retail really well.
I've never heard of them.
I prefer this intimate thing, People come in, they fall in love, we have a date.
So typically it's you can find you at an art fair. Go to your local art fair and Duane might be there.
Or galleries. I have galleries in Clawson, Royal Oak, Berkeley. I think I've had a couple.
Are you local?
Yeah, I'm in Lathrop Village.
Okay, so if you're a Michigander, you can find them.
Sure.
You really grind your gears around here.
Right?
Yeah.
This is huge.
Yeah, well, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dana.
Stay tuned for more from the Arbor Art Fairs.
Bye.